Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sign into new Gmail on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign into your new Gmail account on your phone, first open up your Gmail app, and after opening your Gmail app guys, you'll be on this interface, whereas over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon over here, or your profile picture of your Gmail account at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that profile picture icon at the top right, and this kind of interface will appear where we will be required to scroll down a little bit until we can find the add another account option available for us over here. Tap on add another account over here, and this kind of interface will appear. Now we'll be required to tap on the Google, since the Gmail is the email service of Google. So let's tap on Google and let's wait for it. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email or your phone number of your new Gmail account which you have just created on Gmail. And after entering your email address, let's enter it. And after entering your Gmail like this guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen there's a next button available for us. Tap on the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land on this interface where you'll be required to enter the password of your account. And after entering your password again, tap on the next button over here, and then you'll be logged into your new Gmail account on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to sign into your new Gmail account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.